It's your girl Shabon, okay? And I'm sorry guys, I'm looking in my mirror right here. Yeah, so today I'm going to be doing a hair video. I'm going to try to do these passion twists on my hair. Hopefully they come out good. And I'm actually in my room at the moment, so if you see all of this stuff behind me or whatever, that's stuff that's in my room. So yeah guys, I'm going to be doing passion twists on my hair. It's a trending hairstyle that's going on now for the summer, so I wanted to try this hairstyle out to see how it'll look on me and to see if I can do this hairstyle. Because if I can do this hairstyle, then this will be my go-to summer hairstyle, my go-to protective hairstyle for the summer. So I'm doing this video on pre-washed hair. My hair has been washed and it has been blow dried to the best of my ability, okay? This is the best that it's gonna be at the moment, even though it can be blow dried like straight or whatever, but it's just gonna be like this right now. So yeah guys, I'm going to get straight into this video. The products I'm going to be using is maybe Eco Styler gel for whenever I'm twisting my hair into the braid, into the hair braid hair. And then I'm going to be using this Edge Booster. It's the coconut banana scent. I don't know if y'all can see that. So yeah, I'm going to be using this to make my part look a little bit crispier. So let me just part this. Lord, hopefully I'm parting that right. So yeah, I'm just gonna part that part right there. I'm gonna put these little rubber bands. Should I make them? Okay, I don't know how like that looks, but hopefully that looks cool. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this. Smells so, it smells just like the banana Laffy Taffy. I don't know if y'all ever tried those. The Laffy Taffy banana flavor Laffy Taffies. I don't think that's straight. Like, no, that's not a straight cube. So that one might be a little bit better. I brought my little bobby pins. So guys, I'm just gonna show you I'm just gonna show you how I do one of them, so wait, this video won't be so long. But yeah, hopefully they come out pretty good. All right, I'm doing a rubber band method, by the way, if I didn't say that part. Doing the rubber band method. I'm gonna turn around so y'all can tell me if this part is straight or not. If not, oh well, I'm just gonna keep going because anybody really gonna see the back of my hair that much. All right, can y'all see? Hopefully y'all can see it. That's just how it's gonna be. By the way, this is the hair that I'm using for this hairstyle. I'm using the water wave texture. Oh, I can't even see the name. The water wave texture. This is how the hair looks, guys. I don't know if you can see the texture. And that is how it looks, and it's pretty long. All right, so it comes with 14 pre-section crochet braids, well, crochet thingies. I think I'm gonna do one. Should I do one per plait or two? What you think? I only got 5 packs for my whole head, so this is how it looks. So I'm just going to like spread it out a bit, spread it out, so it'll look a little bit more fluffy, I guess, whatever. That's what I saw the videos. So yeah, just gonna fluff it out some. little further with the twist. They're looking okay. It's taking me some time though. I think I've been doing it since 10:30 and it's about 2:15. Do not judge me. Do not judge me, okay? This is my first time doing anything like this to my hair myself. I always get my cousins and stuff to do my hair, but since it's, you know, me doing it myself and I got back problems, it's taking me a little while. But this is where we're at. The parts are probably not parting right, but it's okay. It's all right. This is how it's looking so far. I don't know if you guys can see all of it, but yeah, this is how it's looking so far, guys. Okay, guys, this is how it looks. Okay. And so I'm going to be doing the last one on camera so that way you all can see exactly how these are done. So my cousin helped with the with some of them because of course my arms gave out a little bit on me, so me and my cousin, we tag teamed them. But these are how it looks. These are still freshly, you know, done, so give it a few days. The curls are going to like go down a little bit more, but right now they're tight, pretty tight. So yeah, but yeah, guys, I'm going to show you how I do the last one. So let me just move these out of the way. I'm gonna put it through right here. All right, so do it like that. Take the hair like this. I'm going to put it on the hook. Okay, is it on there? All right, put it on the hook. Close this latch here. Close it. Okay, close, thank you. And then pull it through. Pull it straight through. It'll come through just like that. Open the hook. Take it off. Okay, open this part and then loop one of these through just like that, and then take the other side. Where is it? Is this one? And then just pull it. And then I'm gonna take this little piece, pull it but not too tight because it's my edges. I'm gonna take some Eco Styler gel. I'm gonna put it on my hair. Okay, and then now I'm going to split this in half just like this, and I'm gonna take both halves of the hair. I didn't do it for all of these, my cousin just came up with it, but I'm going to twist, but don't get it stuck. Twist the hair on both sides. This is my edges. Twist the hair on both sides, right? And then, oh shoot, how did I twist that one? And bring it around just like that. Bring it around, bring it around, bring it around. And then I'm gonna take this Murray's Edge Wax, and then I'm just gonna scoop a little bit, just that much. And then I'm gonna take it on my finger, get that little hair, take it on my finger, rub it in, then rub it in like that. Just like that, guys. just gonna twist it around. Boom. Oh shoot, see how that just did that like that? Boom. And then just bring it down, stretch out a bit, and boom. That is the final twist, guys. Okay, so I done these on myself, so of course they don't look professional looking, but they look okay to me. So yeah, guys, I don't know how I'm going to style them just yet, but this is the finished look. Hopefully y'all like it, okay? Because okay. But yeah, guys, so this is the final look of the twist. So I'm probably gonna wear them like this, maybe. How that look, y'all? Maybe put some more over there. Yeah. Okay, so all right, guys, so yeah, that is the end of this video. So yeah, guys, this is my tutorial on the passion twist. Hopefully they last me a long time, because I don't know if I, you know, twist them tight enough or whatever, but we're gonna see. So yeah, guys, thank you all for watching my tutorial video. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment in the comment section below if this looks good or not. Let me know your tips and everything that I can use for when I do these again. Let me know if I did it right. Let me know if I, you know, didn't do it right and all that stuff. So yeah, guys, catch y'all in the next video. Peace.